Hello students, today we are going to start fourth chapter of English textbook Marigold. The name of this chapter is I Want. Do you remember children your last poem I am lucky? In that poem, a child considered herself lucky to be what she was. But here in this chapter there is a monkey who does not like himself. He wants to be like other animals. He likes the neck of a giraffe, trunk of an elephant, and stripes of a zebra. Suddenly, he meets a wise woman who gives him a magic wand. And what does he do with this magic wand? To know about it, let us read the story. I want. I want to be big, says little monkey. I want to be strong. A wise woman hears him. Take this magic wand, she says, and all your wishes can come true. Here, a monkey does not like himself. He wanted to be big and strong. Then what happens? A wise woman gives him a magic wand or magic stick. Here you can see in this picture a wise woman is holding a stick. This is a magic stick or magic wand. You must have seen or heard about magic in fairy tales or in magic movies in which magic can change or make anything possible. So, this wand or stick was also a magical stick or magical wand. The monkey could do anything with that wand. A giraffe comes by. He stretches his long neck. He eats the sweet leaves at the top of the trees. I want a long neck, says little monkey. Pop! His neck grows long, just like the giraffe's. Little monkey is happy. Now what happened? The monkey is excited seeing the long neck of the giraffe and he wants a long neck like giraffes and his wish comes true by using the magic wand and his neck grows long just like the giraffes. Now he was very happy. An elephant comes down to the river. He fills his trunk with water. He blows it all over himself. I want to do that too, says little monkey. Bang! Just like that, he grows a trunk. He is very happy. This is fun, he says. Then after some time, he sees an elephant filling his trunk with water and blowing it all over himself, as you can see here in this picture. So, the monkey also wishes to have a trunk like elephants, and his wish comes true again. How? By using the magic wand. Now he grows a trunk just like elephants and becomes happy. Next, little monkey sees a zebra. I want stripes like those, he says. Whiz! Little monkey has stripes all over his body, just like the zebra. He is very, very happy. Now he sees a zebra. He likes zebra's stripes. Here, children, you can see Zebra has stripes like this. Little monkey also wants stripes all over his body like zebras. Again, his wish comes true by using the magic wand, and now he has stripes all over his body. He is now very happy. He goes to the river to try out his new trunk. He looks down. He sees himself in the water. Mother, he cries, help, a monster. That's not a monster, says his mother. That's you. You want a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like a zebra. Don't you remember? Little monkey cries and cries. I look awful. He says, I want to be myself again. There is a pop, a bang, and a whiz. Little monkey is himself again. He jumps for joy. He throws the magic wand into the river. He never wants to be anyone else again. Now monkey goes to the river to try out his new trunk. When he looks down in the water, he cries with fear. Why is he afraid? He is afraid to see his own image in the water. He could not understand whose image was it. He thinks that it is a monster or demon. Then his mother tells him it is him, the little monkey, because after having a giraffe's neck, an elephant's trunk, and stripes like zebra, he was looking awful or very bad, just like a monster, as you can see in this picture. Then he wishes to be himself again, and his wish comes true by using the magic wand. Now he was himself again, a little monkey. He was very happy. And then he throws the magic wand into the river. Why? Because he does not want to use that wand again to be anyone else. He likes himself again. So, children, what have you learned from this story? We learned that we can all be happy being what we are. Children, we all are lucky because we all are special. That's all for today.